In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in Samsung Internet Browser app. So first of all, open the Samsung Internet Browser application. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. You can see over here Samsung Internet Browser application has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the internet settings interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for sync with Samsung Cloud. What you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to log in to your Samsung account. All you have to do is enter your email address over here, or you can also sign in with Google by tapping on this option, sign in with Google. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Once you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, enter your password over here. Now once you enter the password, tap on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be signed into your account and you'll be able to sync the internet with Samsung Cloud. So that is how you sign in Samsung Internet Browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.